Celsius Network App Review. Celsius Network is a crypto lending and borrowing platform that allows users to earn interest on their digital assets and take out crypto-backed loans. It aims to provide an alternative to traditional banking by offering high-yield savings and easy access to liquidity. However, the platform has faced legal and financial challenges in recent years. The Celsius app is available on iOS and Android. Installation is simple, requiring users to download the app, sign up with an email, complete KYC verification, and set up security features like 2FA. The process is relatively quick, though verification may take time depending on demand. For the key features, as for the earn, its competitive APY on crypto deposits varies based on asset and loyalty tier. For borrow, the crypto-backed loans with low interest rates. For self-pay, it's fee-free crypto transfers between users. As for security, it insured assets and strong security measures. And its no fees means no withdrawal, transfer, or inactivity fees. For the performance and usability, the app offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate. Transactions are generally smooth, but some users have reported issues with withdrawals, especially after the platform's financial struggles. As for the pros and cons, it has a competitive interest rates on assets, no fees on withdrawals and transfers, it was easy-to-use interface, and crypto-backed loans with flexible terms. But the downside is, it faced financial and regulatory issues, and some users have experienced withdrawal delays, as well as limited availability in certain regions. Compared to Nexo, Celsius offers similar lending and borrowing services but has struggled with financial stability, affecting user trust. BlockFi is another competitor, but it has also faced regulatory scrutiny. Nexo remains a more stable alternative due to its stronger financial backing and regulatory compliance. Overall, while Celsius once provided excellent crypto banking services, its legal and financial troubles have significantly impacted its reputation. Users should exercise caution and stay updated on its regulatory status before using the platform. So, I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe, also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then, see you again in the next video.